In this video, we will install the Poll Everywhere extension to be used in Google Slides. From the Google, we will go ahead and we will look for the Chrome Web Store. That should appear as the very first option. We'll go ahead and choose. In the Chrome Web Store, what we would like to do is make sure that we are on extensions. And in the search the store, we will type in Poll Everywhere. The extension Poll Everywhere for Google Slides appears at the top. We will go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. It will give you a list of permissions that are needed. We'll go ahead and click Add Extensions. Up at the top, it should come up and say that it has been added. You'll also notice a little green banner across the site. So we have successfully installed that extension. With the extension added, we can now go ahead and we can create a new Google slide. And what you're going to notice then is that up at the top, you will see Poll Everywhere. The first time that you use Poll Everywhere, you do need to log in. To log in, we'll click on Poll Everywhere, choose Log In. If you have already logged into Poll Everywhere, you will continue to log in. If you never have before, go ahead and click on Sign Up. You can sign up with Google, or you can go ahead and use your email to create that account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once logged in, back to Poll Everywhere, I can go ahead and insert an activity. This will bring me to Poll Everywhere. I have created other activities. If this is your first time, click on New Activity, and you will have some templates to choose from. If you go ahead and click on More, you will also see additional options that are available.